Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to discuss about two important models which are related to the how the states have tackled this COVID-19 situation or like for example अगर हमारे means में आता है तो हम किस पर्टिकुलर मॉडल को एज अ स्टैंडर्ड अपने आंसर में बता सकते हैं कि किसी भी तरीके का अगर इन फ्यूचर कोई एपिडेमिक या पेंडेमिक होता है. आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू डिफरेंस बिटवीन एपिडेमिक एंड पेंडेमिक इन प्रीवियस वीडियोज. एपिडेमिक इज एट रीजनल लेवल and pandemic is at global level. Then there are other differences already between epidemic and pandemic. I'm not going into that, but the thing is that if suppose because many a times आंसर में आपको एग्जाम्पल्स, आपको फैक्ट्स एंड आपको ये भी बताना पड़ता है कि आप अगर हम ये सॉल्यूशन दें कि इस तरीके की सिचुएशन होनी चाहिए या ऐसा कुछ मॉडल होना चाहिए तो हमारे पास में एग्जाम्पल होना चाहिए. तो फॉर एग्जाम्पल टू डील विद पेंडेमिक or epidemic we can quote that India has seen the successful implementation of the Kerala model, how the Kerala has implemented how Kerala has tackled the entire situation basically. And the second model which is in use these days is the Karnataka model. Okay, so we are going to look into these two models in very brief. You can quote this in your mains answer, in your essay, or even in your interview as well. There can be a question directly like, do you know anything about Kerala model, or do you know anything about Karnataka model? Because these days it's so much in use and it's being appreciated these days. Okay, so let's just start. So wait a second. Yeah, so first of all we have our Kerala model, and the very first thing is that they have a draft policy on dealing with COVID-19 pandemic. And the interesting thing was that this draft policy, it was ready by January last week. Okay, showing the urgency of the preparedness. That means how proactive they were. They didn't follow any active approach कि पहले कुछ हो जाए and then we'll see कि how to tackle the situation. Their approach was quite proactive. They were prepared. Okay, and because nationwide lockdown या nationwide जो urgency लगी वो लगी मार्च से, even after 22nd March. ठीक है. And but see, Kerala has already initiated its process in the last week of January itself. Okay, so the second thing is we can quote the proactive approach that we have seen in this Kerala model. Then declaration of COVID-19 as state disaster. Okay, COVID-19 को as state disaster जो है declare किया गया on February 1st week, and that indicated a comprehensive response to be taken by the authorities. So this is the second most important thing. Next thing is constitution of state response team and district response team to ensure inter-ministry coordination, quick response and regular monitoring of the actions taken. So see, they have constituted a state response team and district response team as well. So we can see a very clear picture of decentralized actions. The basic theme of the Kerala model is the decentralization in the approach as well. Okay, now fourth thing is digital system to maintain data of all people under home quarantine. So they have already maintained a digital system of data, and nearly 1.5 lakh people's data was in that database. Okay, so we can see the extent of preparedness in Kerala model. And next is everyday press conference was conducted by state health minister and CM to educate citizens and to remove any sort of rumors which were going in the state or in the district. Next is shutdown of this is very important. Okay, shutdown of Anganwadis in schools was followed up by dry ration supplies to their homes. Even if Anganwadis and schools were closed, because Anganwadis and schools were closed, so the provision of midday meal, okay, so it was obviously not possible for the children. So what they did, they supplied dry ration to their home, so that at least children and the mothers, they could eat it, okay, so that the nutritional and the food security is maintained even if the schools were closed. Next is utilizing community kitchens, or we can say mohalla kitchens, to provide food for the poor. Suspension of biometric authentication at PDS shops, public distribution shops पे जो biometric authentication होता है उसे suspend किया गया as a precautionary measure to reduce the risk of community transmission. And lastly, advance payment of social security pensions. The pensions, they were paid in advance, so that people, they may not face any sort of financial crisis, or any sort of food insecurities because of financial crisis. So these are some of the points which we can quote in the Kerala model, which shows how much proactive and decentralized as well as tech savvy the Kerala model was. Next is the Karnataka model. Before starting Karnataka model, one thing I noticed is that this Karnataka model is very tech savvy. Okay, so it was a multi-pronged strategy that involves technical strategy. These words can be easily used in our answers. Technical strategy, humanitarian approach, and economic assistance. Fine, because this thing is very important. Economic assistance. We have already seen how the migrants have faced physically, mentally, economically. Okay, next is setting up of high-tech war rooms to exchange information and monitor the spread of disease. So there were war rooms. Means why they are called war rooms? Because the approach was like as if there was a war going on and they have to react in such a manner. तो इस तरीके से उन्हें react करना था as if कि front पे कोई war चल रहा है and we have to act like that. Okay, information exchange करने में और disease की spread को monitor करने में. Then tracking the mobile phones of quarantined people through their GPS location, and taking necessary action. Spelling is wrong. Taking necessary action if they violate their norms. Then they had a Corona Watch app. I already told Karnataka model is very tech savvy. So Corona Watch app to inform people about places where infected persons had travelled. And on the same model, this Arogya Setu app is also there. It's at the national level. It helps people to avoid such places, so that people, they can just have they can just track the places where these people who are COVID positive have traveled, so that they may not go into those places and avoid getting infected. Next, there was a dedicated helpline, even a telegram group and COVID awareness and response center, जिससे कि awareness spread की जा सके. They can respond to people's queries and fight the menace of rumors and fake news, because we have seen that WhatsApp पे भी and different social media platforms पे there are a lot of fake news, जिससे लोगों में anxiety होती है, they get into depression and they take unnecessary actions. Then they have the Soha line to handle the demand for food during the crisis. Now this is very good. Construction laborers and migrant workers, इनसे related क्या किया, that one convention center or wedding hall in every ward will be taken over by district administration to house those construction laborers and migrant workers and prevent their migration to hometown, so that they may not get panic with respect to any sort of financial or food insecurity. And in these convention centers which have been taken by, in fact, see, these convention centers were in each and every ward, so the process is quite decentralized as well. Okay, so that they may have their food, they may have proper shelter, they don't have to migrate to their homes getting panicked. So all these things and all these technological steps, they helped Karnataka to limit the cases of COVID-19 and to flatten the curve. So we have seen two models which are being appreciated these days, Kerala model and the Karnataka model. which we can quote in our answers in mains, as I have told earlier, in mains, essay, or in interview. Because if we are even these points which I have told in Kerala and Karnataka model, even if you don't mention that these are these models, I mean Karnataka, even if you don't name them, na, if you can just quote these points, remembering these any of the point, then also you're going to fetch very good marks. So this is with all this. Thank you.